In any organization, IT service delivery depends on a range of assets, and without a clear understanding of these assets, effective service management is nearly impossible. The Freshservice Asset Management module comes equipped with everything you need to stay on top of your IT assets. Let's take a look. Freshservice makes asset tracking effortless with its own network discovery application, the Discovery Probe. You can download the probe by going to the admin console of your Freshservice account and clicking on Discovery. Once you install it on a computer, it scans the network for other computers and network devices. It populates all the scanned CIs in the Freshservice CMDB. Discovery Probe also lets you deploy an application called Freshservice Agent on these individual machines. What the agent does is let you bypass firewalls and other obstructions for more consistent tracking. It also sends out real-time updates to the CMDB if it detects a change in the host machine. The CMDB lets you track and manage the assets in your network, along with the corresponding contracts. To see how this works, let's take a closer look at one of our CIs, the Exchange server, for example. Here, you can maintain details about the server, like the vendor, cost, and the time it was last audited. After every scan, the agent updates the list of software applications and hardware components associated with the server. That's not all. Asset management in Freshservice is closely integrated with other ITIL processes as well. If a user raises an incident for the server, it's updated in the CMDB automatically. Same goes for problems, changes, and releases. This list could give the asset manager some great insights about the asset's overall health. The integration also benefits other IT teams. For instance, let's say a change involving the server is requested. During the planning stages of the change, it is essential to make sure that other services are not disrupted. To accomplish this, the change manager can utilize CMDB data about the server, especially the relationship map of dependent CIs. After planning the change, an approval request is sent to the Exchange administrator. Now, the CMDB provides all the information they need to approve or reject the change. All of the server's contracts are maintained in the CMDB, along with the purchase cost and other expenses. The CMDB maintains a log of all the activities surrounding the server, right from the time it was added to the network and assigned to its user. And when the server's warranty or a software license approaches its expiry date, a notification is proactively sent to all stakeholders. With all this newfound control over your assets, you can now manage changes better and even predict unexpected service interruptions and regulate expenses. If you're yet to try out Freshservice, visit freshservice.com for a free trial. And for more videos, go to youtube.com/freshserviceapp and hit subscribe.